Hi guys, Njani. I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a while since you've seen me with Njabulo. Mr. News for sure, Njabulo has a new channel. You guys, please go Ngobuninzi Benu to his channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please make sure you subscribe on his channel. And also, please support him with all the likes, all the super thanks, and everything, Jay. Please, we appreciate your support, guys. Don't be shy with all the super thanks. We appreciate them. They help our channels grow. So please make sure. Anyway, Jeffs, how are you doing?
Happy, then how are you?
I'm all right.
Mm.
Thank you so much. It's been a while,
But
Fundi.
how can you say that? Because you still have to log on and set all these super what?
They must do something about it on their side. Don't worry, Nangai.
No, no, they've already done something. Am I not supposed to do anything? But anyway, you will share the screen after and then you'll look.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
What's happening? A lot has it's been a crazy 2 weeks or three since the Madlanga Commission, since the ad hoc, and then the Senzo Meyiwa case came back. A lot has been happening in South Africa. A lot. A lot has been happening.
Well, Noni, I mean, I enjoy to be around with your people. I think your people actually are the ones that show me some love. They just come and just hug me. Yeah, especially when I'm in Cape Town, it's like worse.
So
Yeah,
people
but anyway,
recognize you.
yeah, no, and I'm for some odd reason I've just learned now automatically. I say, oh, okay. Then they will tell
Yes.
me it's either hey Noni or real mastermind.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah, I really do appreciate the love. Because we respect people known when we take time to share
The news.
this information. Yes. And then no need just to clarify, ne, I
Yes.
do not have any access to sensitive information.
No, you
I
don't. You've been
don't.
saying it.
Yes. So what I will do, in fact, Noni, I will do the recording sometimes later on today.
Yes.
Just to people how dark web works and tell people the things that they trust the most. It's the same information that gives us very sensitive data for us to
Yes.
make decisions.
Yes. Please share
Mm.
that video with me. I want to share it on my channel and I want to share it on my online platforms so that people can come. You will have traffic for it. Please share the link to that video.
All
Once
right.
you upload, then share the link to me.
All right. No,
Yes.
that's fine. We'll do
Mm.
that. You've asked me, which a lot has happened.
Yes.
There's Madlanga,
Yes.
there's ad hoc committee,
Yes.
and there's Senzo Mayo.
Yep.
But in all of this thing, what I would want us to have characters or actors.
Yes.
In the Madlanga, the prominent actors there are three at this point in time.
Mm-hmm.
It's the Mkwanazi,
Mm-hmm.
it's the General Kumalo,
Yes.
and Brown Mohot.
Of course. Yes.
Then you have on the Mewa case,
Yes.
you have Ujai Rata,
Mm-hmm.
Ubaloi.
Main character syndrome, that one.
Yes.
Lead
Then
character, lead
then
actor,
you
that one.
yes, then you have Keninda.
Mm-hmm. So in the Senzo
Uh,
Mewa case, we have Judge Rata, the main character. We have Baloi. We have Kininda.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's that. Because the case revolves around the three of them. And even the Madlanga Commission revolves around these three people. You'll pick up that I'm talking about the threes.
Yes.
Ad hoc committee. Again, I think the main characters on the ad hoc committees, you have Masimola, Sibia, and the third person, which will be Fadil Adams.
Oh my God. I didn't even think about him.
Yes. Now, it's strange because he has not come to testify.
Yet.
And then also Brown has not even come to testify on the Madlanga Commission. He's already told us that he requested for an extension and he was granted. And he's already dropping them WhatsApps.
He's here.
And what did Fadil did? He went on the Biz News and he says, yesterday, he went on the Biz News and he started saying, he says, no, but I'm not going to say much. The matter is sub judice, but he said a lot.
Oh my God. I did not even see that.
Yes, no, Fadil Adams, Noni.
Then wait. Before you say that, hold on that. I want you to say what you were about to say. But I guess what we will do, let's first start with Fidel on those characters as a parliament. Let's start with that. Then we will have another video for the Madlanga Commission characters. Then for the Senzomewa characters, we'll have their own video.
All right, that's fine. Yes. That's perfect with me.
Yes, you were about to say something.
Yes, about Fadil Adams, he's a member of parliament. He's an honorable member. He represents a party, but in parliament, he represents all of us.
Yes.
Now, he has actually started talking before his testimony.
He's talking to
the media. He went on his news. Yes, yeah, he spoke to the media. But then now, what people they must understand in parliament, I did not mention Mkwanas on the ad hoc committee. Yes. Correct. I said Masimola, Sibia, and Fadil.
Yep.
Now, when you look at Sibia, guys, I'll do a recording about it. You can hate us all you can, but Usbia at the ad hoc committee made sense. It's just that those MPs were not interested in the truth. Forget him and his own shenanigans, ne?
Yes.
Just forget him. Just listen to what he was saying about the SAPS processes and this working document that it was started in 2016 and only got approved in 2025.
What?
Is. And when you look at that, and you hear what Fadil said yesterday on the Biz News.
Yes.
He said the PKTT always has 100 million rand budget per annum. He says there's about 39 members on a PKTT. They only have about 58 dockets.
What?
Yes, that's what Fadil said yesterday.
100 million, 58 dockets, 39 members.
Yes, and 39 members. Yes. And he talks about police officers and overtime. He talks about bookings at, in Durban, Umhlanga, South, there is Beverly Hills and there is Oyster Box. Oyster Box is the premium of your English 7-star hotel.
What? Not even 5, 7.
Well, it's a 5-star, but I can say that, you know what, things there, it's just everything that is there is a design that has a name. So we're not sure that now what Fadil actually, because we're already being told that he had a lot of sensitive information. So could it mean that Fadil also has confirmations of people staying in the Oyster Box Hotel?
Kemali Estate.
Yep. That's average about 8,000 rand per night there.
Hi, when?
Mm.
Okay.
So hence I'm saying that Fadil in the ad hoc committee is the main character. Now, Sibiya says, yes, we're saying that he's been talking, saying nothing. But I'll tell you what, he's got his ways of explaining. He says, yes, I had my consent. Why everything, these people always, after a few months, they need 20 million, 60 million there, 30 million there. Who's auditing this money, where this money is being used for? That's Bia on his financial, when he had to recommend the approval of a budget.
Uthini manje kumina Njabulo?
No, I mean, I've been listening to Sbia a record of 11 hours. I've been listening to him. Not once, Noni. I've not been quiet for this thing because I want to listen.
And understand.
Better than that. Yes, I want to listen. Now, what Sibia does, I said the other main character is General Masimon. Sibia says, I was told that I'm going to be arrested for General Masimon. Am I also being arrested? He says, no. He says, we worked with General Masimon up until the 4th of July. Mina and him, we were on the same WhatsApp group.
What?
No, it's the evidence. When you look at the SABC 11-hour thing, all these things starts from 5 hours, 11 minutes. For people who are late, they must just go there. See, there's evidence. No, when we are seeing these things, we need to be
open-minded,
truthful. Yes, we need to be truthful when we're doing the analysis, because CBI doesn't fire himself, or it doesn't. He had a manager. Those questions were asked to Masimul before, saying, "But why did you not deal with him?" All what I've seen, Noni, is that the evidence of Sibia and the evidence of General Mkwanas and the evidence of General Masimul so far in the ad hoc committee. And now when you start to hear Mchunu, it only comes out to one thing, that a person that appears to have been economical with the truth there is the commissioner, is the general. Because now, yes, because what is interesting is that how can a lot of people say a lot of different things about him? Now, when you hear evidence of Mkwanas, he says different things about the commissioner. When you hear the evidence of Sibia, General Sibia also paints a different picture about the commissioner. Now, as we started to hear evidence from Uminisa Mchunu, we're getting a different picture again from the commissioner. Now, all that remains common here is the commissioner. It's either the commissioner has not provided correct and decisive leadership skills. Let me tell you why. Commissioner Masemola should have said, Minister, You want to disband this thing. So what is your letter? What your letter is and what your letter is not. Because
Okay.
I see here immediate. What do you mean by immediate? Do you understand? You seek clarity. You see, when you are given a brief, Noni, we've played around because they call the PKTT a project. Ne?
Yes.
When you look at the project, you need to get a scope. There was a scope. You know very well that for it to get approval of a new budget 2024 to 2025, there was even a recommendation from a CFO. In this regard, the CFO will have been who? Leshaba, ne?
Yes.
To say, I'm not sure, but there's a CFO that wrote something and says, you know what, will approve that this work as long as you say there is work that needs to be done. But we will have a problem next year with the budget because we no longer have funds for this. Now, as a national commissioner, you manage the budget, you look at all of these things. I feel that maybe he has not been able to articulate himself correctly to say, what are the decisions that I have done with this? Because he said he had told Sibia not to proceed with this, leave it to me. But Sibia says, I received an email from the commissioner's office saying I must fix A, B, C, and D. Then Kunu says, we had a workshop late in January where certain decision and a roadmap that was agreed upon. So it means that after the word immediately, there were meetings that were held to mitigate that that immediately was not possible.
Okay.
You see now, when we look at the SAPS and we look at that, hence then now, Masimola then had a direct of approach. Now that's the process, it's the admin process. But then now also Sibia talks about the phase approach. But Mkwanas is not aware of the phase approach. Minister Mchunu also talks about the phase approach after the workshop. So do you see that during the 31st, I mean, I agree with Mchunu that, you know what, 31st December means nothing. You know, which Amapoyisa, every year they are being paid on the last day of the month.
Yes.
So on the 31st of December, it's a police pay day. And that was what, on a Tuesday or Wednesday, but it was a normal working day for the police officers. Yes, a person can say, yeah, but the letter was sent at 5:45, or 5:45. It was like they were rushing through. So when I'm analyzing that, no, I come to a point where I think I found a mastermind, but I'm not gonna say it.
Hayi wena. Wawusincisha indaba sifuna ukwazi phela singumzansi. Because we are trying to figure out what's going on or what we can see, Jeps, on this entire situation. There is war. It's no longer brewing at SEPS. It's no longer brewing. There is like internal war that is happening. Now it has come outside for everyone to see. But us, the outsiders, we are unable to pinpoint who's who in this war. We are unable to pinpoint.
Now let me tell you. Let me tell you, I believe that the mastermind in this issue of the political PKTT, it's Chief of Staff. Gabi.
Chief of Staff?
Yes. I believe I will tell you on my channel why I'm saying that. But think about this, Non. He records Mkwanas. Yes.
But wait, he was told to record him.
Who told him?
Mchunu said so in Parliament. I was watching at that time when he said yes. I told him to record Ulo Umkhwanazi.
Yes, but then the fact that then you go and record. What
Yes.
did you say to a person to say record him? I just
Oh,
said.
okay, I get you. I get you. But
And
wait,
then
what is the benefit for the chief of staff?
no, he's the one that also sent the letter. Who says Uguti is the one that sent the letter. So he's the one that also must have the letter.
So that is why Mkhwanazi then says there was back and forth with this letter. Maybe he was sending it to Mchunu to read through, and then Mchunu would say no.
Mm.
Oh my God. Okay. Also, I'm thinking now, then it makes sense why when he did the so-called media briefing, he defended Mchunu through and through.
Yeah, because it's the mastermind. Why would you go and do a media briefing about nothing? I think he's the mastermind. I think, because Mkhwanazi says, I know the guy very well.
Oh my word, Jabulo.
So, he tried to be a chess player, but I'll unpack it for you guys on my channel because hey, we don't want to know to be sued.
Ooh, okay, okay. I think this video is gonna be long if we continue talking. Let's do another video about the other three players in the other setting. Thank you so much.
All
I'll
right.
see you on our next video. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.